Okay, really simple, easy pasta today. We've got mushrooms, cream, cheese, pasta of your choice, garlic, couple of herbs, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So mushrooms here, there's 250 grams there, which is about 3 cups, white mushrooms, fresh. I cut them, they're fairly thick actually, but cut them how you want, dice them up even. Pasta, the pasta that I'm using today, Penne, again, roughly equal parts in volume, about 3 cups. 2 cups of cream here. Now I always get loads of questions about this. This is a thick cooking cream. It doesn't matter if you use thick or thin cream. It's going to work out the same. I've got some mozzarella there. You could use cheddar or parmesan, but I want to get a couple of cups in there of, well, it's just over about 1.5 cups actually, of cheese in there to give it some creaminess. I've got 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, cup of onion, and about 3 cloves of garlic. Let's get moving. So my pan is there. I've got some olive oil in there. You can use a different oil if you want. I've got about 3 tablespoons. We're going to start by dropping in the onion, the garlic. I'm going to add some salt and pepper now. On and above medium heat, just put that on. We're going to go for 3 minutes. Fabulous. Let's drop in the mushrooms. Like I say, slice mine up like so. Chop them nice and small if you want, or make them bigger, entirely up to you. We're going to drop in oregano and paprika. That's what I'm using, but you know, change that around if you want to something else, some other herbs and spices. And again, 3 to 4 minutes just to get these mushrooms on their way. Fabulous. But next up we're going to add in our cream. Like I say, 250 ml of cream, couple of cups roughly. And like I said, this is a thick cooking cream, but thin cream also works the same. I'm going to add a little bit of water, like 100 ml of water, and we're going to go here for another 3 minutes, but this time stirring constantly. Fabulous. Now I added water. Now first of all, I didn't add water because I had thick cream. If I had thin cream, I would have still added some water. And I use water, but you could have used a stock, like a chicken stock or a vegetable stock, or even some white wine. That's up to you. We're now going to drop in the cheese. I'm going for mozzarella. I'm going to get that in there. Give it a quick mix. Cheddar and parmesan also, of course, works really well. Then we're going to go with our pasta. Penne is what I'm using. 3 more minutes. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Getting that sauce in, on and around our pasta. We've done it. Beautiful. A really simple, beautiful, creamy mushroom pasta that takes no time at all. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.